Hello everyone, this is your tutor from Made Easy Biotechnology Education YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss the Sanger sequencing method. I have already discussed about the Maxim Gilbert sequencing method. So the second one is the Sanger sequencing method, which is also known as the dideoxy chain termination method, because here the important chemical used is dideoxy, which terminates. So Sanger and Maxim sequencing method both are very important on the basis of the exam point of view. So you need to study it very carefully and write in your examination as per the marks. So let's start the topic. So Sanger sequencing method, which is also known as the dideoxy chain termination method, and the Sanger sequencing method is a method of the DNA sequencing that involves the electrophoresis, that is based on the random incorporation of the chain termination dideoxy nucleotide by the DNA polymerase during in vitro DNA replication. So basically what does the statement mean is that Sanger sequencing मेथड जो होता है एक डीएनए सीक्वेंसिंग मेथड होता है जिसमें हम लोग जो है इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस परफॉर्म करते हैं एंड इसी के बेसिस पे हम लोग जो है चेन का टर्मिनेशन करते हैं। कैसे? इसमें हम लोग जो है डाइडिऑक्सी न्यूक्लियोटाइड को ऐड करते हैं जो कि चेन को टर्मिनेट करता है। सो इसमें हम लोग बेसिकली क्या करते हैं, डीएनए पॉलीमरेज एंजाइम को ऐड करेंगे जो कि चेन को इलॉन्गेट करने का काम करेगा, एंड डाइडिऑक्सी न्यूक्लियोटाइड ऐड करेंगे जो कि चेन को टर्मिनेट करने का काम करेगा। सो ये एक ऐसा मेथड होता है जिसमें हम लोग जो है न्यूक्लियोटाइड के सीक्वेंस को डिटरमाइन करते हैं डीएनए के। So this method was developed by the two Nobel laureate Frederick Sanger and his colleagues in 1977, and hence the name Sanger sequencing method. So this method was discovered by the Frederick Sanger and his colleague in the year 1977. That's why the name of the sequencing method is the Sanger sequencing method. Let's move further with the process. So let's discuss about the process. So initially there is a genomic DNA on the basis of the denaturation, and with the help of the enzyme we cut the DNA genome and make the DNA fragments, and after that the DNA fragment is being incorporated with the plasmid, and then it is being added into the body of the E. coli, which is a prokaryotic organism, to make the multiple copies of the single stranded DNA. So this is the process which is to be take care of before starting the Sanger sequencing method. So let's move ahead. In Sanger sequencing method, we have double-stranded DNA, and then we perform the denaturation by giving the temperature, and then it will convert it into the single-stranded DNA. Here we have template, and then we will add the primer from 5' to 3', and then we take a 4 tube, and in all the tube, all the PCR component will be added, like DNTPs, primer, polymerase, and ATPs. So here DATP, DZTP, DCTP, DTTP will be added in all the tube, and here a particular dideoxynucleotide will be added according to the nucleotide. So for adenine, here DDATP, and for guanine DDGTP, and for cytosine DDCTP, and for thymine DDTCP is being. And after that we will perform the electrophoresis, and on the basis of the electrophoresis when we will determine the sequence of the nucleic acid. So let's move ahead. The reaction system is a mixture of template, primer, DNA polymerase, and DNTPs. Four kinds of DDNTPs: DDATP, DDGTP, CTP, and TTP with the radioisotope marks are respectively added to the 4 reaction system. If DDNTP is incorporated in the oligonucleotide chain, the 2' and 3' of the DDNTP do not contain the hydroxyl group and cannot form the phosphodiester bond. Then the extension of the DNA chain is terminated. सो इसका मतलब है कि हमारा DDNTP जहाँ जहाँ पे ऐड होगा वहाँ पे हमारा जो है 2 और 3 कार्बन पे जो है हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप प्रेजेंट नहीं होगा, और अगर हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप ही नहीं प्रेजेंट है तो हमारा चेन का जो पॉलीमराइजेशन हो रहा है, मतलब जो चेन का एक्सटेंशन हो रहा है वो स्टॉप हो जाएगा, और चेन अगर एक्सटेंड ही नहीं करेगी तो चेन का हमें कैसे पता चलेगा, तो वहाँ से चेन जो है टूट जाएगी। सो चेन का टर्मिनेशन हो जाएगा। सो 4 PCR रिएक्शन सिस्टम प्रोडक्ट्स आर एडेड टू द जेल इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस एंड ऑटो रेडियोग्राफी वाज यूज्ड टू डिटरमाइन द DNA सीक्वेंस अकॉर्डिंग टू द लोकेशन ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस. Now the chemical requirement for the Sanger sequencing method is the DNA sample to be sequenced is combined with a tube with primer, DNA polymerase, and DNA nucleotide, that is DATP, DGTP, DTP, and DCTP. The 4 dye labeled chain terminating dideoxynucleotide are added as well, but in a smaller amount than the ordinary nucleotide. So one thing important is that you need to add a very little amount of the dideoxynucleotide. If you add more amount, then it will causes the chain termination at every point. Due to this, you are not able to determine the correct sequence of the nucleic acid. So perform the process as I have told you, and then you can determine the DNA sequence. So this is the method to determine the sequence of any nucleic acid, that is the DNA. So I hope you will like the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment section. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.